Hi, it's Kent with Jones and Associates in Cleveland, Tennessee. This is part 5C, the final part on what to tell your lawyer when you are getting divorced. And it's a continuation of items to bring your lawyer when you go to their office. Living wills are important. We need to know what if someone has done a living will. That question always comes up when you're in the hospital or the emergency room. What do you want done in a state of sickness if it becomes worse? Advance directives, similarly, who's going to be in charge of determining what type of health care you'll receive, particularly with elderly people. Powers of attorney, advance directives sometimes mesh in with that term. The way I look at it is an advance directive is kind of more about what you want someone to have control of medically with regard to you if you are incapacitated. Power of attorneys that I usually draft are financial in nature, and it gives a party, usually a child, but sometimes another party, the ability to go to your bank and have access to your financial savings or so forth to help you out with things like nursing home care, conservatorships, or anything that would involve taking care of you that's going to require a substantial amount of money over time. Wills, I think that's self-explanatory. What did you decide to do with everything when you die? We need to know that when we're going into a divorce. What's in a safety deposit box? What do you consider to be separate property? A list of that. And then we can help you determine whether or not that's going to remain separate property or whether it would be considered ultimately to be marital property to be divided equitably in the state of Tennessee. Appraisals on jewelry, if you have a lot of that. Automobile insurance policies. Homeowners insurance policies, who's going to be the beneficiary of those? Those are items that you need to put on the plate so that we know what we're talking about when we have to go before a mediator or a judge in court. Obviously, that doesn't encompass everything by any means that can go on in a divorce situation, but we're trying to kind of topically cover the necessary items that will help us resolve things faster. And the reason that I say that is I've had some divorces that I've gotten done in just over a couple of months. Those don't involve children because there's a 60-day waiting period without children and a 90-day waiting period with children. On the opposite side of the coin, I've had divorces that have lasted up to 3 years before we finally got everything resolved. I've been to mediation 4 times until we got things resolved on a divorce. And with that being said, I think we're finished up with the series on what to tell your attorney when you are getting divorced. I hope everyone has a great evening, and and we'll catch up with you later on a different topic at some point in time. Bye.